Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you beautiful indoor vertical garden ideas and guide for creating space-saving urban garden that refreshing and natural. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Gone are the days when limited square footage meant sacrificing your connection to nature. Indoor vertical gardens, often referred to as living walls, have become a game-changer in modern design. These captivating installations allow you to cultivate a lush green haven within your home, transforming bare walls into vibrant focal points. An indoor vertical garden is a self-contained system designed to grow plants vertically on a wall or other upright surface. These systems come in a variety of styles and sizes, from prefabricated panels to DIY pocket planters. Regardless of the format, the core concept remains the same, maximizing space utilization to create a thriving indoor ecosystem. The benefits of incorporating an indoor vertical garden into your living space extend far beyond aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to embrace this verdant trend. First, enhanced air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing harmful toxins and pollutants commonly found indoors. This can lead to improved respiratory health and overall well-being. Second, stress reduction. Studies have shown that interacting with nature, even in small doses, can significantly reduce stress levels. The calming presence of a vertical garden can foster a sense of tranquility within your home. Third, increased humidity. Indoor environments often suffer from low humidity levels, which can lead to dry skin and respiratory issues. Vertical gardens contribute to a more balanced humidity level, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. Fourth, space saving. Vertical gardens are a brilliant solution for maximizing limited space, particularly in urban apartments or studios. They transform unused vertical surfaces into vibrant green walls. Fifth, aesthetic appeal. Vertical gardens add a touch of undeniable elegance and sophistication to any interior space. They create a stunning focal point and inject a burst of life into your surroundings. The specific maintenance requirements for your vertical garden will depend on the chosen plants and the type of system you utilize. However, some general principles apply. First, watering. Most vertical garden systems have built-in irrigation features. However, it's crucial to monitor the moisture levels and adjust watering schedules based on the specific needs of your chosen plants. Second, lighting. Adequate lighting is essential for plant growth. Assess the natural light available in your chosen location and supplement with artificial grow lights if necessary. Third, nutrients. Many vertical garden systems utilize a reservoir for nutrient solution. Regularly monitor nutrient levels and refill or replace the solution as needed. Fourth, pruning. Regular pruning encourages healthy growth and maintains the overall shape of your vertical garden. Selecting the right plants for your vertical garden is key to its success. Here are some ideal candidates known for their low maintenance needs and adaptability to vertical environments. 1. Pothose. This iconic houseplant thrives in most light conditions and requires minimal watering, making it a perfect choice for beginners. 2. Snake plant. Renowned for its air purifying properties and tolerance for low light and infrequent watering, the snake plant is another low maintenance option. 3. Spider plant. This cascading plant produces baby spinnerets, creating a visually appealing effect within your vertical garden. It tolerates a range of light conditions and requires moderate watering. 4. Philodendron. Available in various shapes and sizes, philodendrons are generally easy to care for and adapt well to vertical gardens. 5. Air plants. These fascinating plants don't require soil and absorb moisture from the air. They offer a unique and low-maintenance addition to your vertical garden. 6. Ferns. Certain fern varieties, such as the maidenhair fern, thrive in humid environments created by vertical gardens. Choose varieties that tolerate lower light conditions. 7. Bromeliads. These vibrant flowering plants add a touch of color to your vertical garden. They require moderate watering and prefer indirect light. 8. Peperomia. With their diverse foliage shapes and textures, peperomia varieties add greenery view in your house. Indoor vertical gardens offer a plethora of benefits, from purifying your air to enhancing your well-being, all while adding a touch of captivating beauty to your home. With a little planning and the right plant selections, you can cultivate a thriving green oasis, even in a space-challenged environment. So, unleash your inner urban gardener and embrace the verdant possibilities. Visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiring home decor ideas and expert tips on creating and maintaining your very own indoor vertical garden. Subscribe today and join our vibrant community of design enthusiasts. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.